Welcome. Today we're going to be subtracting fractions with like denominators. Let's do an example and then you can try this one. So we have 3 and 5, 6 minus 2 and 1, 6. Well, let's see. We have a common denominator, so this will be a piece of cake. 5 minus 1 is 4. And the denominator, of course, stays the same if you've been following our series here on adding and subtracting fractions. Now, 3 minus 2, well, that's 1. So we have 1 and 4, 6, which equals 1 and, well, what can you divide both 4 and 6 by? They're both even numbers, so you can divide them by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we have 1 and 2/3. Hey, you try this one right here. We have 5 and 7/8 minus 4 and 3/8. Go ahead and do that now while I do a little dance. And you paused it, right? Well, we're back. 5 and 7/8 minus 4 and 3/8. They have common denominators, so 7 minus 3 is 4. And the 8, of course, stays the same if you saw with the models that we did in prior lessons. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So we have 1 and 4/8. What can you divide both 4 and 8 by? What's a common factor? You could do 2, and you could do 4. 4 is the greatest common factor, which will get us in the lowest terms. So we'll divide by 4 here and 4 here. Whatever you do on the numerator, you gotta do on the denominator to keep them equivalent. So that equals 1 and 1/2. Thank you for watching. And in our next lesson, we'll be regrouping, having to regroup with fractions, which I teach 6th grade, and that is a big challenge. It's something they should already know, but they just need a little review. So let's review that next. Thanks. Bye.